class. Welcome back in your online classes. Today I'm going to start a new topic and new chapter. The name of chapter Life in Desert. In this chapter we are discuss about the life in desert, how the those who live in a desert, how they live, which kind of natural vegetation is found there, the wildlife of the desert places. We are discuss all the things in this chapter. First of all, I want to tell you one thing, that desert is two type. First type of desert we call the hot desert. The desert you can see in this big, that is called the hot desert. In this the desert where the hotness is the hot weather, hot temperature was there, temperature was very high, and we can see the sand dunes. And the shape of the desert we call the camel. You can see in this image also the camel is there. So camel is the most important animal in desert while moving here and there, because there is one quality in camel, that he can store the water and in his lungs and in stomach, so that whenever he required he take this water, and he can survive more than a week without water. So we use camel as a desert of hot desert. There is a ship of hot desert is that is called the camel. So in this chapter we are discussing about the desert, their life, the characteristics and the desert. What is the characteristics of the desert? Firstly we are discussing that thing, the characteristics of the desert. Desert are characterized by the low rainfall, slanting vegetation and extreme temperature. If we are talking about the desert, in desert area the very less vegetation is there, the temperature was very hot, extreme hotness is in the desert area, and the rainfall is very low. डेजर्ट एरिया में रेनफॉल बहुत कम होता है, बहुत कम वेजिटेशन पाया जाता है, और जो टेम्परेचर होता है वो बहुत हाई होता है. सो दैट्स वाई इट बिकम द डेजर्ट. डिपेंडिंग ऑन द टेम्परेचर देयर कैन बी hot desert or cold desert. If we're talking about the temperature, I'm told you there is a desert have two type, hot desert or cold desert. We talking about the hot desert, the temperature was very high in hot desert, and the cold desert we are talking about, in cold desert the temperature is very less. So there is two type of desert. Firstly we are discussing about the hot desert, that is Sahara. Sahara is the largest desert, world largest desert in the world. Largest desert is hot desert is Sahara. So after Sahara, do you know in our country also a desert? In Rajasthan there is a desert, we call them Thar desert. But if we're talking about the world, so in world the largest hot desert is Sahara. There is two type of desert, that's why we call the hot desert. Hot desert is Sahara, and Sahara is the largest desert in the world. It touches the 11 countries. The Sahara desert was touches the 11 countries, has got the gravel plains and the elevated the plateaus with a bare rocky surface. The rocky surface was there, plateaus are there. It touches the 11 countries. Sahara desert was mainly in Africa, but in Africa it touches the 11 countries. Africa is a continent, and in Africa 11 countries was touches in this Sahara. Climate of Sahara is scorching hot, and trees thrive with the temperature as the high as 50 degrees Celsius. The Sahara desert temperature more than 50 degrees Celsius, and the temperature was very hot, and the heat stroke was there. So it is very hot desert. The night are freezing cold. You all know in desert area the day was extreme hot, and the night was freezing cold. The temperature near the 0 degree. In night time Sahara desert temperature was decreased at a 0 degree. It reached not 0 degree, and in daytime it is a 50 degree, but night time it reached 0 degree. Vegetation in the Sahara deserts include, which kind of vegetation is there, वहाँ पे कौन कौन से grow होते हैं, cactus है, date plants, and this is the vegetation. We are talking about the Camels. I will earlier told you the camel is the ship of desert. Hyenas, jackals, fox, scorpions, snake, lizard are the main animal species found here. It is a animal species that we found in Sahara Desert. The despite its harsh climate, इसका harsh climate है, तब भी Sahara is inhabited by the various group of people. There is so many harsh climate is there, so harsh climate is there, but there is some tribes that live in a Sahara Desert. The main group of the Wadunis and the Tuaregs. तुर्गेस और वादुनीस जो है वो सहारा डेजर्ट में पाई जाती है, ट्राइब्स हैं। ये हॉट टेम्परेचर होने के बावजूद भी सहारा डेजर्ट में रहते हैं। द ओएसिस इन द सहारा एंड द नाइल वैली इन इजिप्ट सपोर्ट द सेटल पॉपुलेशन। और यहाँ की जो पॉपुलेशन है, हाउ दे मैनेज द ओएसिस अ पार्ट एंड डेजर्ट देयर द वाटर फाउंड। एक छोटा सा पार्ट होता है डेजर्ट के अंदर जो कि जहाँ पे पानी मिलता है उसको ओएसिस बोलते हैं, वहाँ ग्रीनरी रहती है। और जो नाइल रिवर की वैलीज है और इजिप्ट की, वो सपोर्ट करती है जो पॉपुलेशन यहाँ रहती है उनको रहने के लिए। डिस्कवरी ऑफ ऑयल इज़ कॉन्स्टेंटली ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग दिस रीजन। और इस रीजन में ऑयल की जो डिस्कवरी हुई है उसने भी इनको क्या किया है, ट्रांसपोर्ट कर दिया है, ट्रांसफॉर्म किया है, बिल्कुल चेंज कर दिया है यहाँ के रीजन को, बिकॉज ऑयल इज़ वेरी प्रीशियस। Other important minerals found here are iron, phosphorus, magnesium and uranium. These kind of other minerals are there found. So people live there and extract these minerals and they got money from them, and by this they can survive there, they can transform their life. More and more nomadic tribes are taking to city life and mostly यहाँ के जो nomadic tribes हैं, nomadic means जो लोग बंजारे होते हैं जो इधर one place से another place तक जाते हैं visit करते रहते हैं for a food and they live the city life because of most of minerals are there. That is called the life of the Sahara Desert and the minerals of Sahara Desert and the people of the Sahara Desert. Now we are coming to cold desert. You all know the cold desert is there. The decreased point is there, the decreased temperature, the temperature was decreased in a cold desert. See, the ice caps was there. In India there is Ladakh. We all know the name of Ladakh. Ladakh is belong to India, and Ladakh is a cold desert. There is a extreme climate is there. The temperature of this climate was very decreased, so we call the Ladakh a cold desert. Ladakh is a cold desert lying in the Great Himalayas, and where the Ladakh lying, it is lying in a Great Himalaya on the eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. Ladakh located in the east side of Jammu Kashmir, and they lie on a Great Himalaya. Its altitude in Ladakh varies from the 3000 meter in Kargil to more than 8000 meter in Karakoram. Karakoram hills range is there. From there 8000 meter and the distance altitude was there, and the Kargil there is 3000 meter is the altitude of Ladakh. The area experienced the freezing wind and burning hot sunlight. In this area the freezing winds was blow, so the wind there blow was very freezing, cold wind was blowing, and hot sunlight was there. Due to high aridity the vegetation is spare. यहाँ पे कोई vegetation नहीं होता. Groves of the willows and the poplars are seen in the valleys. In the valleys they can willows and poplars are seen, but extreme climate was there, freezing wind was blow, so vegetation it not possible in Ladakh. The animal of Ladakh are wild goats are there, wild sheep, yaks, special kind of dogs that we call the reindeers. So they found in a Ladakh. The animal are reared as a provide milk, meat and hides. They use the animal for hiding themselves for meat and milk. Their animal rearing was there, is an occupation of the peoples, those who belong to the Ladakh. And why they rearing the animals? For milk, meat and hides. The population consisting of either Muslims or Buddhists. In Ladakh the mostly people lived, those who are Muslims and Buddhist, those who follower of Buddhas, they live in Ladakh. Some famous Buddhist monastery are times, Takshi, Shire, and the Lamur. This kind of monastery, this mutt was in Ladakh. In the summer season, the people are busy cultivating barley, potatoes, peas, bees, and turnip. Summer season में यहाँ पे ग्रो किए जाते हैं. एंड टूरिज्म इज मेजर एक्टिविटी. यहाँ की जो मेजर एक्टिविटी है वो टूरिज्म है. सेवरल टूरिस्ट स्ट्रीमिंग इन फॉर्म विद इन इंडिया एंड अब्रॉड. बहुत से लोग यहाँ इंडिया से भी और अब्रॉड से आते हैं. फॉर टूरिज्म इज़ अ मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ द पीपल हु लिव्ड इन Ladakh. People of Ladakh have over the centuries learned to live in a balance and harmony with nature. और यहाँ के लोग हैं वो बैलेंस करके जीते हैं हारमोनी के साथ नेचर के अंदर. जो उनकी नेचर है वो स्ट्रीम कोल्ड है, फिर भी वो एक हारमोनिक लाइफ जीते हैं और बैलेंस बना के रखते हैं नेचर से. Pashmina wool of this region is famous, and Pashmina, we call the Kashmir Pashmina was famous, but they belong to the Ladakh, that is very famous. Leh and Kargil are the main town in Ladakh, and the main town of the Ladakh is Kargil and Leh. Kargil was the place where in India and Pakistan war was happened, and that place we call the Kargil, and this Kargil place and Leh was the main places of Ladakh. The desert area of the world are categorized by the low rainfall. Mostly हम देखे थे hot temperature वाला जो होते हैं उनमें rainfall क्या होता है, कम होता है. अब हम क्विक रिकैप करेंगे. हमारा वहाँ पे rainfall कम होता है, slanting vegetation कम होता है, और temperature क्या होता है, बिल्कुल high temperature होता है. Depending on the temperature there are hot desert as well as the cold desert. और desert के according ही हमने क्या किया, टेम्परेचर को देखते हुए हमने डेजर्ट्स को 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया, हॉट डेजर्ट एंड कोल्ड डेजर्ट. सहारा इज अ हॉट डेजर्ट covering a large part of the North Africa. Sahara belongs to the North Africa, and Ladakh is the cold desert that lies in a greater Himalaya, eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir in India. Ladakh is in India, and Sahara, a hot desert that is the part of North Africa. Sahara is the world's largest desert. Sahara touches the 11 countries like Argentina, let's say so many countries are there, Egypt, Libya, Morocco, Nigeria, Sudan. There are so many 11 countries were there. Touches the Sahara Desert. The Sahara Desert is a vast stretch of sand. In the Sahara Desert we are talking about, तो वहाँ पे पूरा stretch land में क्या है, sand ही sand है. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे sand dunes भी हैं. There are also a plain valley and the plantains with a bare rocky surface, और बहुत से rocky surface भी हैं. Now this chapter was going to end, and I hope you can understand the life of a desert and the type of the desert. There are 2 types of desert we are discussing in this slide, and you can understand this chapter by seeing this video, and I hope you all are fine at your home. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home. Thank you.